Sharknoon SilentStorm Cool Zero 850 Watt Review. The SilentStorm Cool Zero is a power supply certified with 80 plus gold. It is equipped with modern LLC resonant converter technology and only with quality Japanese capacitors rated to 105 degrees Celsius. The fully modular assembly guarantees a tidy installation and appearance. Sharknoon SilentStorm Cool Zero 850 Watt is safe. The power supply is equipped with all common safety features to protect against damage, overcurrent and overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, short circuit protection and over temperature and over power protection are all supported. Sharknoon SilentStorm Cool Zero 850 Watt is a good quality power supply. The exclusive use of Japanese capacitors rated to 105 degrees Celsius and a 135 mm fan with a fluid dynamic bearing provide a quiet and reliable operation with an average life cycle of over 100,000 hours. Sharknoon has an ultra-stable voltage regulation. With modern LLC resonant converter technology, this power supply unit provides a constant and reliable voltage with minimum noise and heat levels. How adjustable cooling of Sharknoon SilentStorm works. The optional fan delay mode and 0 RPM mode ensure an optimal and highly adaptable cooling operation depending on the installation position. In the fan delay mode, the power supply fan can, if required, continue to run for 60 seconds after shutdown to ensure a complete cooling of the system. In addition, with the 0 RPM mode, the fan rotation can be stopped at low to moderate loads, thus enabling a noise-free operation. Sharknoon SilentStorm Cool Zero 850 Watt is fully modular. Yes, Sharknoon SilentStorm is fully modular. All the cables of the SilentStorm Cool Zero are modular and can be used according to individual requirements. A handy cable bag is included for cables which are not being used. Cable configuration, fully modular. Flat cables, yes. Maximum cable length, 115 centimeters. Length of mainboard cable, 56 centimeters. Length of CPU cable, 62.5 centimeters. Length of PCIe cable, 55 centimeters plus 15 centimeters. Cable length to first peripheral, 55 centimeters. 24-pin mainboard connector, 1. 4 plus 4-pin CPU connector, 2. 6 plus 2-pin PCIe connector, 4. SATA connector, 12. Sharknoon SilentStorm Cool Zero 850 Watt is efficient. The SilentStorm Cool Zero is certified with 80 plus gold, achieving at least 90% efficiency at 50% load as well as 87% efficiency at 20% and 100% load. Package contents. SilentStorm Cool Zero 850. Cable bag. Set of modular cables. Power cord. Mounting screws. Manual. Output. 12 volt rail, S1. 3.3 volt load, 22 amps. 5 volt load, 22 amps. Max 3.3 volt plus 5 volt combined power, 120 watts. 12 V1 load, 70.9 amps. Max 12 volt combined power, 850 watts. 5 VSB load, 3 amps. 12 volt load, 0.3 amps. Fan. Fan size, 135 millimeters. Bearing type, fluid dynamic bearing. Protections. OCP, overcurrent protection. OVP, overvoltage protection. UVP, undervoltage protection. SCP, short circuit protection. OTP, over temperature protection. OP, Over power protection. Sharknoon SilentStorm Cool Zero 850 watt is ready for high-performance systems and 3D graphic workstations. Yes, the two 4+4-pin CPU cables ensure that modern energy-hungry systems can also be operated like AMD Ryzen 9 5950X or Intel i9-12900K. The 6+2-pin PCIe connector allows you to mount two graphic cards. The power supply is very stable and a good choice for 24/7 load system.